So guys, on this video, I'm going to talk about 7 ways that you can use to make money online. So the first way is to start making money with affiliate programs. So what you are doing is that you are promoting other companies' products and you get compensated in return by doing that. That is how this business model works. And the second way that you can use to make money online is freelancing. So what you are doing in freelancing is that you can become an article writer, which is writing blogs, and people are going to pay you money to do this. You can become a logo designer. People are going to pay you money to become a logo designer for them. You can become like a flyer designer, or graphic designer. People are going to pay you money to do all this whole work for them. Bring that into your freelancing work and you are going to make money by doing that. You can become like video editing, logo designer, intro maker. So all these whole things you can get paid by doing that on freelancing. That is the second way that you can use to make money online. So the third way that you can use to make money online is to start buying stocks. I know a lot of you don't know that Apple, Google, a lot of companies you see today, almost all of them have shares. So shares is like you are buying a currency, and when the price of the currency is going up, your money will be growing. So that is how shares work. A lot of you are watching Netflix or like using Facebook, using Instagram, using Snapchat, but you don't know that all these companies, they have shares, and all you just need to do is to go and buy a share from $1. So you can buy a share of $1 and the money will start growing gradually. So imagine that you buy a share of $100 this year. Next year, that your share that you bought, it might grow up to like $150 in the next 2 years or in the next 3 years. So this is just an advice for those of you who want to start doing kind of investment online. This is a good way that you can use to invest money in a company like Google, Instagram, TikTok, Netflix, Amazon Prime. So all these old companies, they have shares. Just go and buy a share and start making money from the share that you buy from those companies. So the fourth way that you can use to make money online is to start buying and selling. So a lot of time, there's a lot of brands that is on discount. So when their product is on discount, you can buy like 20 or 10 or 2 or 5 pair or 100 pair of this particular product. Just ship it to your house. So when the discount of this brand have just ended, what you have to do is to now sell this product in a higher price. Let us say you bought it $50, you can sell it in $100 because it's a brand and people are willing to pay a lot of money to buy all this brand product. That is how you can buy and sell. So you buy product when the product is low, when the price is down, and you sell it when the discount of this product, the promotion of this product have run out, and you are going to make good amount of money with this fourth strategy. So the fifth strategy is to start an agency. So what you are doing in this your agency is that you are solving problem for people. Let us say, for example, I have a platform, I have let us say I have a YouTube channel and I'm not getting traffic on this my YouTube channel. So what this agency platform is doing is that they are going to help me to grow my platform. Either they are going to start working on my video editing, they are going to change my style of publishing my video when I'm publishing my video. So all these are things agency can do. They are going to set a limit time they are going to help you to do the things that you are not able to do. They are going to help you to put everything right. Anywhere you are doing wrong in your business, they are going to help you to fix the problem. And gradually that your business will start growing, because this agency, what they are doing is that like scan that your brand or scan that your business to know what they have to do that can improve this your business to grow. Since you don't have the idea, agency are people who can do this. So if you start an agency, you are going to make good amount of money if you know what you are doing on that your agency business. So the sixth way that you can use to make money online is to start an e-commerce business. So what you are doing, you can start your e-commerce business on Shopify, or you can start it with WordPress. So it just depends on you. So I prefer WordPress because on WordPress, you are going to start your e-commerce business with just a zero amount of money. But with Shopify, you are going to pay up to $29 every single month if you want to start an e-commerce business on Shopify. But on this platform, which is called WordPress, you are going to start your e-commerce business for 100% free. So that is the difference of how you can do this business. Either you can start like print-on-demand business, or you just need to do is to go to a place like Canva, create your design, and go and embed all those design on a t-shirt like on Printiful or Printify, and publish it on that your website. Anyone that buy it, you are just going to go to like Printiful or Printify, order it from there, and they are going to ship it to that your client. So that is how the print on demand business work. The number 7 strategy that you can use to make money on this video is a bonus. So this is just a bonus of this video. So how this method work is that you don't even need any investment. You don't need to put any money outside. You don't need to put any money inside. So it's you that have to invest your time to be able to make money with this strategy, which is taking surveys. There's a lot of websites today that will allow you to make money by taking surveys. You can find a website like Easter GC. You can find a website like Future Point. You can find a website like App Karma. You can find a website like Paid Viewpoint. A lot of websites that you can use to make money by taking survey. So that is the 7 way that you can use to make money online. So if this video really helped you, only what I will ask from you right now is for you to just hit that like button and leave me a comment. So just smash that like button. One thing, I want you to leave me a comment, because on this video, if I have 100 comments in my comment section, I'm going to give $50 to one of my subscribers. So all I just need from you is 100 like and 100 comments in the comment section, and I'm going to give one person $50. So that is everything I'm going to talk about on this video. So if you want to make money with affiliate program, only what you just have to do is to click on this video that will pop up and learn how you can make money with affiliate program. I'll say thank you very much, guys, and I will see you on my next upcoming video.